Hello and welcome to Learn with Ma'am Umelala. If you want to improve your English speaking skills, this video is for you. I have gathered the most essential sentences used in daily conversations, work, travel, and social interactions. By learning these, you will feel more confident while speaking English. So stay tuned and let's begin. Basic conversations. How are you? What do you do? Where are you from? Can you help me please? What's your name? How can I get to the nearest bus stop? Could you repeat that please? How much does this cost? I don't understand. Nice to meet you. Common expressions. Thank you so much. You are welcome. I really appreciate it. I'm sorry. No problem. That sounds great. What do you think? It doesn't matter. I don't know. I agree with you. Daily use sentences. I'm just looking around. I'll be right back. I don't feel well today. Could you speak slowly, please? What time is it? See you later. I'm on my way. What's going on? Let's go out for a walk. Take care. Work and study related sentences. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. Can you send me the report? Let's discuss this later. I need some help with my assignment. I'm running late. I have an exam tomorrow. Could you explain this to me? I'm learning English. This is an interesting topic. I have finished my work. Basic conversations that we use in our daily life. What do you mean? Could you please help me? Do you speak English? How's your day going? Long time no see. I didn't catch that. Can you write it for me? I hope you are doing well. What are you up to? That makes sense. So, hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Let me know in the comments which sentence you found most useful. Also, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Keep practicing, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and take care.